In this video, we'll go over 5 health benefits of black pepper, so stay tuned and keep watching till the end. Number 1. Loaded with antioxidants. All of us are exposed to free radicals every single day that can damage our healthy cells. Black pepper can help repair that damage and in turn, help reduce the risk of cancer and other diseases. Number 2. Enhances digestion. Black pepper stimulates the entire digestive system, from the salivary glands to the large intestine, including the all-important digestive juices such as bile and acids that help digest our food. Those dealing with ulcers, either in the mouth or digestive system, or have been instructed to be on a bland diet, black pepper makes a delicious, healthy alternative to chili peppers, for example, and will add great flavor to any meal. Number 3. Helps you sweat. Sweating is good for you because it helps the body remove foreign bodies and toxins. Did you know that 4% of urine is fat? Black pepper helps the body remove excess water through urination that removes urea, fat, excess water, and uric acid. Number 4. Support weight loss efforts. Since black pepper enhances digestion, it can go a long way in helping your body function better, including supporting weight loss efforts. The breakdown of fat cells can be supported by the outer layer of the peppercorn, making it easier to be processed by the body, so black pepper can help you lose weight more easily. Number 5. Helps get rid of gas. While this doesn't sound pleasant, black pepper helps expel gas out of the body, which is a good thing. The gas that stays within the body can put a strain on the vital organs, including the upper chest cavity, which is why it can make you feel uncomfortable. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed the video, consider liking and subscribing.